Hi friends, welcome to Sai Research channel. My name is Barkat. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for notification and more videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk about briefly Google Drive application and how you can install it for your computer desktop. So let's go ahead. First of all, I would like to introduce Google Drive briefly. Google Drive was developed by Google and this is a cloud storage server. You can store files on this server. It also allows you to synchronize your files across devices, and also you can share files with other peoples, and also you can share these files across multiple devices. Another best feature of Google Drive is it provides you 15 GB of space in free, and if you need more space you can buy it. Alright, you can use Google Drive both on mobiles and computers. On mobile, you just need to go to Google folder and from there you can access to Google Drive. On mobile, you don't need to install Google Drive. It's already installed. You just need to go to Google folder and from that folder you can open Google Drive like in this folder. And then you just need to log in with your email and password, and then you can use Google Drive on mobile. Alright, let's go ahead. Let me show you how we can download Google Drive application on computer desktop. So now you don't need to go to web page and use Google Drive from web page. You just need to download Google Drive application on your desktop and you can easily use it. To open Google Drive, you can do it from multiple locations. For example, I can access to Google Drive from my Gmail account directly. You just need to go to Google Apps and open it. Okay. Also, you can open Google Drive from your google.com interface directly. Again, you just need to go to your Google Apps and open the Drive application. Or you can simply type Google Drive in your Google search box and then click on the first link www.google.com. It will direct you to the Google Drive interface, and from here you can access to your Drive. Go to Drive. So for example, I'm going to Google Drive from my Gmail account. I will click on Drive. So my Google Drive is open with my account. This is my account, and already you see there are some files. Alright, so let me show you how we can download Google Drive application on desktop. You just need to go to setting from your Gmail account and then click on get Drive for desktop. As I have already downloaded Google Drive on my computer, I will show you how to install it. Okay, so let's go to desktop. So here I have Google Drive setup file. Click on it. So it will start installation of Google Drive. Okay, so install Google Drive. Add an application shortcut to your desktop. Okay, I'm going to tick mark this option and add desktop shortcuts to Google Documents, Sheets and Slides. Okay, I have also tick mark this option and go ahead. So now the application is installing. So it takes a couple of minutes to install on your system, just I think 1 minute. So you can see Google Drive successfully installed. Just close it, wait a little bit more. So let the application install properly. Drive file stream is Google Drive for desktop. Okay. Close it. So go to your notification area, and here you can see Google Drive. If you click on it, it will open the notification area where you can see your account, activity, notifications. File activity will appear here. Okay, so if you click on this folder, it will direct you to your Google folder where you can see your contents. If you have contents data, you can open it from here. For example, I'm clicking on this My Drive. So here you can see I have a lot of files in this folder, as I have already uploaded these files on Google Drive. So you can easily use this Google Drive application on your desktop. You don't need to go to web page, and just you need internet connection. You must be online, and you can work on it from your desktop.